DDAmanda is guaranteed to make you money in the stock market. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner. And we have hundreds of testimonials that verify this. Plus you get 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Our testimonials are insane. Check them out. Hey, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want. We got a lot of good stuff coming. I love that hat.
Peace.
The smiley. Peace. Peace. You gotta do it back.
Oh, sorry. Oh, peace.
Did you ever do that before?
No, I've never done
I invented that.
I love it.
You know what it is? It's called the peace touch, and you guys have to pass it on.
Okay, we will.
Hi, Candace.
Hi,
Babe. Babe, huh? You must really like me.
I do.
You're calling me babe and shit.
How was your day?
So far, so good. I'm feeling fucking peachy.
Yeah, you
Monati. Those are cool hats. These are awesome hats. Oh, look at this one.
Handmade.
Of course, that's the best. Should be handmade. The very best there is.
Yeah, they made out of beaver fur or jackrabbit fur.
Do you guys hunt the beaver yourselves?
No, we get our pelts from Europe.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Beavers used to be like gold back in the day.
Beavers?
Yeah, the beaver trade. That's why a lot of guys went west. It's to, to get beaver. Because it was a huge commodity back in the day. That's nice. I like that little puzzle. Or as
Yeah.
are you the one that makes all this stuff?
The jewelry, yes. Jewelry,
Holy shit.
Jewelry, Brody makes the hats.
Huh. I think you probably have the best shop in the whole fair.
Who, us?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I really think so. I mean, I've been coming here a long time, and you guys you rock.
Thank you.
I'm kind of a designer myself. What's that?
That's amazing to know.
I'm not just saying that either. I actually design stuff myself. Like I designed this ring.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
I got a black opal from.
That's a beautiful pattern there.
It's like a no pattern, you know. It's like no pattern. It's just.
Did you do that with your hand? I mean.
Well, I bought the stone from a guy named Black Opals in Australia.
Yeah.
And then I remembered I used to have a ring. One of my girlfriends got me a ring that was sort of like this. It was sharper. And I was living in Denver. I was out in the snow, and we were throwing snowballs, and the ring just came right off. I could never find it again. So I remembered that, and then I talked with the guy down there at the La Plaza, the jeweler. What's his name? Fuck. Anyway, I told him, I kind of described what I wanted. And then he tried to do it, but he wasn't quite right, so he gave me the wax blank, And then I just went to town on it. And then they took it, and then they cast it, and the rest is history.
Wow. Well,
Cool.
that ring is really nice.
I lost my ring.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. We have rings.
Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, Stormy.
Hello.
How's your mood today?
You asked me that, and I'm mad.
You gonna get mad?
You're bad.
Don't get mad.
You're bad.
Oh, bad.
Don't ask me how my mood is.
You should cheer up.
Don't ask me how my mood is. Don't tell me about it.
You should cheer up.
How about you don't say anything at all?
How about a big kiss?
No, I don't want
A little bit of soda, please.
I already know.
I know. Just checking. I love you, you know. Hey, Stormy, I love you, you know. I love you deeply. I think about you all the time. Well, sometimes. 10. Give me 10. You keep the rest. Oh, you already got it. You're a sweetheart. Thank you. Peace. Take that back to England with you. I'm serious. I'm the guy that invented it. It's called the peace touch. I want the whole world to chill out. So you get a peace sign, and if they give it back, you just reach out. You've never done that before, right?
Not with the subscription.
Yeah, see, it makes it different. It's called the peace. Take it back. Make it go viral. Just do it. I usually do it with girls. I don't do it with guys, but but you know, you get a peace sign and you just reach out if they give it back. Okay, have a good time in Palm Springs. You look famous. Are you a movie star?
I'm not, but thank you.
No? You could be. Peace. You ever do that before?
No.
I invented that. It's called a peace touch. Pass it on. Serious. You look all relaxed and comfy.
Oh yeah.
Did you have like a long day at work or something?
I did have a long day at work.
Yeah? And now you're just chilling, huh?
Decompressing.
I've never seen anybody so serene.
Decompressing.
What?
Decompressing.
Oh, I thought you said it beats depressing.
Well, that too.
I only saw two.
You saw two. Did you see the one where he threatened her to kill her?
No.
You did not. Which ones did you see?
The one where she calls him a rapist and she calls him a cunt. I mean, he calls her a cunt.
Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.